Hello everybody. Wait, I gotta set up my mic for a second. Hello. So, new week, new day. You know, I just wake up a few minutes ago and I'm not in the greatest shape, but we'll see how it goes, I think. Also, I think a few days ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, I had this really terrible food poisoning, and I'm still recovering from it because I can still feel my stomach crying in pain. But you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Just let it pass, I guess. But yeah, not everything is easy. I'm doing better than before, obviously. But now I'm just screaming in pain while sitting down in my computer. Anyway, oh shit, I just realized. My bad everybody, my avatar is missing. Where's my avatar? Why is it not here? Alright, there's it. Okay, let me set up some stuff first. I'm so sorry everyone. Okay, the timer is going, and actually, one interesting is that we got a new follower while we are away. I mean, while we are not streaming. By the way, let's talk about today. Before I start the stream, I wanted to do a little bit of a recap. Oops. I want to do a little bit of a recap of what the last stream is. So, if I'm not mistaken, and if my memory is still working perfectly fine, last stream we get some stuff done, not a lot, but some stuff. So the first thing we got down, let's write it down. Stream. Last stream summary. My bad. Stream recap. Recap. It's last week. Okay. So the first thing that we got done is obviously better jump. For the better jump, there's actually not much of a change. The only thing that changed is that when our player goes up and let's say the gravity is 1, and when it goes down, the gravity is 1.2. So it's a little bit stronger, but not too much, if you know what I mean. Okay. So that's one. That's the better jump, and then we also have made a hazard. Yep, we made a hazard detection. I forgot to add that. Detect. So when let's say this is our character. Ooh. Okay, this is our little slime, and when our slime encounter, let's say spike, right? A spike. When our slime encounter a spike, and it actually collides with it. Let's say it was over here. Oh. Our slime got into the spike. On the console log, it will say hit. That's the only thing, because I don't really want to add some feature that can, let's say, erase our slime. For now, I just wanted to you know, detect that we actually hit the area. Okay, and let's do no. So the first thing that we got done is obviously stream recap, better jump, hazard detection, and the number 3 thing is number 3 thing is enemy AI. It is enemy AI. Enemy AI. Okay, so enemy AI, we kinda made a test enemy. Let's say this is the test enemy. It's gonna be triangle. Test enemy. Cool. And it will follow our player whenever it goes. Very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, that is a little bit of a recap of what's going on. But that's it, I guess. It took me around 3 hours to figure out. It's not a long time, but still, I think it's a pretty good achievement. And for today's stream, as you can see on the to-do list on the bottom of your screen, there is there's something written actually. It says better jump, better enemy behavior. And what does that mean? So let's say currently our enemy, god damn. Wait, I think I got larger. Okay, our enemy, which is this thing. Sorry everybody, I'm not a good drawer, but I still try my best there. So this guy over here, the only purpose that it has right now is to follow our player. But hi, still need work. Hello, welcome to the stream and thank you for the follow. Okay, I'm gonna continue explaining some stuff. So our enemy right now, its only purpose is to follow our player, which is, you see, it works, but the problem is that no matter where my player go, it will follow, even without knowing my player position. So the plan is for today's stream, it's gonna be a short stream because I'm not feeling really well right now, because you know, a few days ago I got really bad food poisoning. But I still try to make something, but still, it's really is not a good time for me. So how do we solve this problem? You know, the first thing that we can do is to make an area around our character. Onion is said to absorb toxins. Oh really? Because I haven't got one actually. I haven't tried eating like any kind of veggie because I spent the whole time on my room just crying, trying to forget about the pain. Okay, so this is the illustration for the thing that we want to do. So this our enemy is going to have some kind of a area like a border over here. And our player over here, if our player got near or collide with the area, the enemy is going to follow. And what next? If our enemy got into our player or collides with our player, it will says hit on the console log. That's the only thing that I'm gonna do today, and when it says hit, it's gonna erase the enemy. Simple. Are you using Godot engine? Yes, I am. I'm using Godot, and I'm still learning because this is my day 4 actually. I didn't have to update this. My bad, everybody. This is actually my day 4 of creating games and learning actually, because previously I have no experience of, you know, game dev or programming or even stuff like that, because it's all very new to me. I haven't really tapped in or actually learned anything from tutorials. I do, but just a bit. So now I'm trying my best to... No, it's a 2D game. It's a 2D game. Wait, let me show you. So, alright, there's a lot of error at this point, but please just ignore this. So, currently, this is what my game looks like. And I think I need to fix some stuff, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, this is how our game looks like now. It's not really good. This is the hazard, by the way. When I hit the spikes, it's gonna write hit. That's the only thing that it does. But I think that's good for now. And there's also this problem that I have to fix, which is the jittering when I got above the enemy. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I think I'm gonna leave it first because it's not a big problem right now. But yeah, I'll see how I can fix that. There's actually a lot of things that I want to add to the game that I still haven't figured out how to do it. Actually, like one of them is when I hit the floor, I actually have an animation for it. But for some reason, for some weird reason, the animation cannot play when I attempt to make a code that can, you know, detect when our player just hit the floor, but it doesn't work. So I think I'm gonna look into it in the future. But for now, I think this works pretty well. And actually, I think after this stream, I'm gonna get some onion because I'm dying over here. Yeah, let's do the thing. So we're gonna add some. Actually, I'm gonna move my enemy a little bit further. So right now it's a little bit too close to our player. We want the enemy to detect. Here's the enemy. Nice, good progress. Thank you. By the way, what game are you making? Are you working on a long-term project or maybe just a small project to, you know, learn along the way? Because making a game is a really, I don't know how to say it, but it's a really unique kind of thing that I haven't really tapped into. But now that I'm doing it, it feels really bizarre. Because, you know, there's a lot of things to explore. Sometimes I even think that my project right now might be a little bit too overwhelming for me. But I just keep pushing and hope that maybe that's not the, you know, the best mindset to have. So we're gonna have an area 2D to detect, and I also will have a collision. Should I have a box collider? I think I should have collision shape. Yeah, why not? Just put that over there and then choose the shape. I would like if we have like a half circle kind of shape, but I'm gonna use I'm gonna use rectangular. Yep. I had to game design on the back burner, but I have a small game that I'm going to work on that is influenced by Flappy Bird. Oh, so it's like a tap kind of game. Like you tap the screen and the bird goes up, stuff like that, I guess. But I think that's really cool though. God damn. Yeah, but varied. I actually, well, the first game that I tried to make in Unity before I started using Godot is actually like a replica of Flappy Bird. I follow this tutorial on YouTube, and you know, during the tutorial everything feels fine and everything feels okay, I can do this. But when I got off from the tutorial, I got stuck a lot actually, and whenever I search for the the solutions and stuff like that, it doesn't shows up on the search result. So back then I was just, you know what, maybe this is not for me, and I just gave up immediately, just like that. I think that's one thing that I gotta fix too. I gave up too easily, actually. Wait, how? When I get to a certain point, I'll show you. Yeah, sure. Getting stuck is good because it gets your brain thinking, oh, how can I solve this problem? Getting stuck is the norm for all of us, yeah. It's a part of the journey, like solving a puzzle. Yeah, I think that's a good way to put it. Like when you play a game, for example, Resident Evil. There's a lot of time when you can encounter some puzzle. I just think of it like that, you know. I'm not really good with dealing with problems, but I'm still working on it. Okay, we got our collision shape. The next thing we gotta do is to assign it to our player. I mean to the script. First thing we gotta do is to go to the area this one. Area entered. This is the right one, right? Yeah. We're gonna signal to the script, and then what do I do? Okay. So we want this function inside of the... No. Yeah, it takes practice, and then when you get used to it and it becomes habit, you'll miss it. Yeah. I think of it like, when you still learning and you get stuck on a lot of things. You go on Google, you go on Godot documentation, you go on YouTube to search for it, and eventually, obviously, you'll find a solution for it. And in the future, I'll try to do something, and I got that skill inside of me now. It's like whenever I get stuck on something, I learn something new, and then I get that information or that skill, and I put that in my skill tree. So now I have like a big branch of skill tree that I learn from every time I got stuck, which is really cool. It feels like it feels like a game progression. Or visual aids to help you understand your code. Oh, what can you do as a new programmer is do a flowchart or visual aid to help you understand your code. Yeah, that's good stuff. Feels good. For the visual aid, I think this counts as a visual aid. I think, because the thing that I learned is that for every function that we have, or every feature, my bad. Why is my brush so thin? For every feature that we have to break it down and just, make it into a smaller and smaller features, I guess. Is that how I say it? Right now it seems abstract where you put in your function name and a description within a chart. Oh, I think I gotta look into that, which might be a good thing to do, because right now it's like a simple idea, like how a feature I want my feature to work. Nice. Okay, I will look into it. A flowchart. Yeah. Why didn't I think of it? I'm a dummy. Thanks for the information, by the way. Okay, now that we got our signal entered. Okay. Let me check this. Let me check. Oh yeah, I gotta assign the layer. So this is gonna be layer 3, and it's gonna look for my player, obviously. Also, I don't think I want my enemy to be able to collide with the player, so I'm gonna disable this. Okay. Back to this. Chart will help you with conditional statements. Ooh, I've never actually heard about that, but I think that's a good thing. I'm still pretty new. It's my day 4. Please be nice. I mean, bear with me. You already very nice on giving all this great advice for me. Okay, let's see. What can I do? So we got the gravity. I'm not going to mess with this. We got the enemy movement. Okay, we got the enemy movement in. It's a function. We also got the update animation in, which is good. Can I put this function inside of my area 2D? I don't think I can. Can I? Conditional statements are if statements. Oh, yes. So, yeah. I think that makes sense, like, to make stuff simpler, I guess. Oops. Okay, let's break this down. How am I going to do this? Oh, I can make so functions are designed for specific tasks. Ooh. That's great. Functions are designed for a specific task, like this. This is for making the gravity, this is for the enemy movement. Okay, I'm going to make a boolean, which is going to be over here. Should I put it over here? No. I'm gonna put it over here. Let's make a variable. Like make a boolean. So if you put a function called within a function, it should be a task that you are trying to do for a task. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I understand. Until that far. Let's make a variable. What should I name it? Detective. Detect. No. Player detect. Player. Let's call it detect. And then now that we have variable on this place, if my player entered the area, function player detect player underscore detect equal true. And oops, I might do something wrong. Oh yeah, I gotta pull it in. Yeah. Detect. Is this how it's supposed to be? Yeah. Okay. Now that I got this, put this at true on the enemy movement. So I'm just going to add another if statement. If player detect. Oh man, I gotta add so much things. Detect equal true. Boom. Or maybe I should do this. Maybe? Is this a good idea? I don't think it is. Do I still need to... okay. Oh! My bad. Okay, enemy movement, and now I gotta add this. I don't know if this is the best way to approach the problem, but I have no idea on how to make this simpler. Okay, now we have now that we have our area working, just practice and go with it. All right, I don't have to worry about the real fuck. Okay. Oh, Oh yeah, about that. Just gonna put it here. Okay, should work now. It does. Okay, if I just go here, it will start chasing. Never mind, it doesn't chase me. Okay. Let's do a bit. Oh, it's his. He stare at you with an evil stare? Yeah. Okay, I see the problem now. This is embarrassing. Okay. I'm gonna assign a new layer. Project settings. Say input map, localization, plugins, import defaults. Wait, where is it? Oh, here. Layer. Layer. 2D render, 2D physics. Yeah. Let's add a new layer. The name is going to be detection. Detect. Yeah, detect. Okay, let's set this to layer 4. And save this. It's going to be detect. And it's going to look for player. Okay. And what I want it to do is that print detected. No need to be embarrassed as you're new and edit. Everything is learning. I knew it go that. Yeah, thank you. You know, sometimes it's a little bit embarrassing because still. So it's just a little bit embarrassing, you know. Maybe I shouldn't put this here. Oh! I know why. No, I don't. Shit. God damn. Alright, let me try again. I am going to see. So if my player is detected, it's going to write. Ah, so it is not detected. Why? But why? I think I know why. Because my player is not looking for it. Mess 1, 2, okay. Eh? Wait. Wait a minute. Did you call the function? Should I? Wait, let me check my player script. Okay, the movement, the gravity, movement slide. Hey, print it. So this works. Oh, because of this? Mastery, so it looks for... Oh, I see now why. No, I don't see now. Why? What? It should work. Kinda. It should work. I don't think I have to call the function because it's automatic. So wait. Whoa. This is weird. So the enemy is layer 2 and the area 2D is layer. Oh, okay. So layer 2 and 3. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. Is it's the event trigger? I don't know. I don't think so. Doesn't right hit. Let me try that again. I gotta use my brain for this. Is it hit? It does. So, a little bit of a brain fuck over here. So player is... So the enemy is layer 2 and 3. Yes. Hazard area. It is layer 3. the enemy is a player and a hazard. No, it is not a player. Is it a player? Oh, it doesn't look for this. Ah, yes! To be automatic without calling a function in the script, I thought that would mean it's signal based, meaning something happens that sends a signal for something happen as a result. The signal based something happens that sends a signal for something to happen as a result. So, let's see. If that's the thing, then that means... Okay. So, okay, this area 2D, it signals to the player, signaling that script function. If on area 2D, area entered, print hit. So like for instance, if you click mouse and it responds, and it responds to the jump to the character. Yeah. Okay, but this one works. So it's a little bit of a mindfuck. So I think the first thing that I gotta do is to detect the thing first. Now, it doesn't want to detect my player for... I have no idea what reasons. This is the collision shape? Okay. Do I did something? Solids? I don't think this is... Is it supposed to print in the debugger screen? Yes, it should. No, here, output. It should print out in the output, but for some reason it doesn't. I'm gonna try it again. So let's see. If my player hit the spikes, it's going to write hit, which is great because I want it to work that way. But if my player entered the area which this thing is, it doesn't hit. Yeah, that's working. But this one doesn't work, which is not good. Now, I have to find a way to make it work. It might be on the layer, but it also might not be on the layer. Cause, okay, this works. So it's supposed not to. It is not on the player script. The problem is here. I just don't know where is it yet. Should look for mask number 2, and this should look for mask number 1. Hey, wait. If I think about it, it should. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. It shouldn't work like this. Should have not worked like this. Let's do another test. It's not reaching that function when the print statement is detected? Yeah. I wonder why. It doesn't even move now. I wonder. I wonder. Yeah, so I start the collision. Let's look at the code again. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, fuck. Okay. Now that I can push that bad boy over there. So this is the enemy code. I have a... I'm gonna export this actually. Wait, no. I don't think I want this. I bet. There? Export. Wait, why can't I export? I should be able to export this, right? Oh, this is a constant. My bad. Okay. I'm a dumbass. So we have our speed, our jump velocity, our sprite 2D, you know, the regular stuff. We got our gravity, our player variable, and then on ready we get player get node, root player. Wait. Actually, I don't want to do that. Let's put my player in. Oops, not this. TTS. Okay. Player is going to be here. Normally cons are all caps and var are lowercase. Oh, is that like the syntax rule? Oh, okay. I'm gonna actually change that. Jump velocity. Let me change this. Oh, it's not going to have any jump for now. Yep. So we're just going to ignore this first because it's not going to give us anything. Is it because of my area 2D? Signals. Area entered. Let's go to the player. Area 2D, area entered. It's the same actually. It's the same function, but it doesn't want to work the way I want it to work. Even though it should detect our... Oh, I think I know why. I think I know why, kinda. I think I know why, wait. Project settings, I'm just gonna delete this one. Can you scroll to the enemy function? Yeah, which one? This is the ready, so I'm going to get the player. How do I get global? I forgot, but yeah. Enemy movement here. So if player detect equal true, which is this one, if player position X is more than my position X, direction is 1. Else if player position X is less than my position X, then the direction will be -1. So it's a simple left and right. Can I put a print statement in there to see if... Oh yeah, sure. Print running. It's running. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is another problem. Why is there two of me? Oh, I think I might know why. Cause in the project settings, in the auto load, I have my player auto load, which is not the best thing to have, I think. But I wanted to access my player in here, but I don't know why, how, because it's on a different scene. So my player is over here, but my enemy is over here, and it wanted to access the player that is in over here. Do you have an idea? Or maybe I could Google it. You know what? Oh, let's do that. Oh my god. How to access another scene in GDScript. Go that. This is how to switch scenes. No. Okay, this is what I want to see. Hello, like now, if I do have a player scene on another weapon, for example, and to be able to access from my player script to my weapon script, the easy way, if the other scene is an instance in the same scene that you can just do get node, I should do an instance. That's right. Why didn't I think of that? I'm a dumbass. Okay. If not, you will have to insert it. I'm a dumbass. Let's make an instance. Instantiate child scene. No, this is not what I want to do. Okay, bad. How do I make an instance? Goddamn! Is this what I do? Wait, no. Let's see. Google, Godot, help me. How to make an instance. Godot. In scene dock, select main mode, then click the icon at the top of the scene dock. This button allows you to add an instance of child of the currently selected node. Double click the ball scene to instance it. Scene inherited? Eh? Oh. No. Yeah, let's do this. Notepad. Okay, I think this should work. Get tree, get root, get node. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Who knows, it might work. We'll never know. Let's go back to the enemy and do this. Boom. If it doesn't work, then it fucking works. If it works! Okay, surprisingly. Let's see. Hit. Okay, that still works. Hoo-ha, 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 hoo-ha. Player. Layer is 2, mask. I just want it to mask the. Do I want the enemy? Yeah, so it's not reaching. So it's not running and it doesn't detect my player, the enemy. So the enemy doesn't detect the player. So that's a problem. So the enemy doesn't detect the player. Even though I put his... actually. Okay, get player. Mask the player. Search for the fucking player. This search for the hazard. Okay, it should work, but it doesn't. That's weird. Look for the player. Okay. So this is not. Oh, maybe. Might not change the thing, but we just gotta see. You know, it's all try and error. Fuck you. Okay, I pushed the thing off, but it's okay. It doesn't detect. Maybe. Let's do something really dumb. Disconnect the shit. Copy this shit. Delete the shit. Reconnect the shit to the enemy. Connect. Print. Might not work. But I'm going to ignore that for a second and just see. Okay. Hit. Still not detected, which is a weird thing. It should detect. How? How? Everything works perfectly over here. Spikes. Look at this. The layer is number 3. Did I not assign? No. Wait, why? What? Maybe I should look for the enemy. I should look for the player. Does the enemy have an area and the player have a separate area? Yes, I think. So my player have two collision area. The first one is the collision, which is which has the layer property of a player. And it will constantly look for the world because it doesn't want to fall down. And then I have another collision, which is supposed to be named Hazard. And it has a collision, has a detector, my bad. And it has a collision shape. This small box over here, and it will constantly look for the hazard. And the script is actually really simple. It just this. If I entered the area, which I want it to be layer number 3, which is the hazard, it will print hit. Simple. Because what about the enemy? So the enemy is actually pretty much the same as usual. I will okay, yes, I am a hazard. So over here, hazard, I will constantly look for mask number 1 and 2, which is world, because I don't want to fall down. And I will look for player because I want to collide with the player. And I also have a detection area. Which will constantly look for the player. Everything seems, the same, but for some reason it doesn't want to work, which is really weird. But if we're using that logic, if my player hit the enemy, it should write hit, but for some reason it doesn't. That means there is something wrong with it, and I have, oh my god, alright, I gotta fix this, but not now, cause it's kind of funny. Okay. That's a problem. It doesn't detect anything. It might be on the player, actually. The player doesn't detect the enemy, the enemy doesn't detect the player, so it's like a two-thing kind of stuff. Fuck me. That's really confusing. Or is it because... Hey? It should work. It should work. It should work, man. Why does it not work? My brain is fuming. I gotta think. And I gotta take a sip of water. Do you have any idea why this might be happening? Cause I don't have any idea why this is happening. Huh. That's really weird. I'm thinking, me too. Mouse 1 and mouse 2. Alright, it works. Yeah, whatever. Let's do it slowly. You're using area 2D. Yes, I am. Already animated might go to time. I'm gonna ignore this. Ignore this. Ignore this. No. No. Input axis. Yeah. Node 2D. Enemy is a character body. Let me do another test. Just a simple test. Just a test. Let's say test. I'm going to save this. At the same time, I'm going to delete it later. For now, I'm going to put on a sprite 2D. And for the texture, I'm going to use my test enemy. Yeah. Okay. Now that our character is over here, I'm going to add a collision. I'm going to add an area 2D, my bad. I'm going to add an area 2D. And then I'm going to add a collision to the area 2D. It's going to be a rectangle. So it's going to be something like this. Should be fine. Okay, so a cute little stuff. And for the collision, this is going to be layer 3. And it's going to look for 2. That is what my spikes do. Okay. So this is equally the same as the spike. Let's see. Now that I have the test, if I put it there, if my player, supposedly, it does hit. Now it hits. What the fuck? Huh? Let's do another if statement. Let's do another test. Yeah? Let's do another test. It's a little cutesy step there. Cutesy test. Area 2D. Same thing. Same motherfucking thing. It's going to add another collision shape to it. But this time it's going to be a little bit more bigger. What the fuck? Okay, I don't want that. Collision. Let's give it a box. And give it a box. Make it a little bit larger. Something like this. Fuck yeah. And then, on the area 2D, I'm going to make it look for mask number 2. Simple enough. And I'm going to give a script. I'm going to make a script over here. Super. Test 2D. And then area 2D. I'm going to node area entered connect to the test script. Good. Now I'm going to write print detected. Just the same thing. If this works, I'm going to be very mad. If it doesn't, it's okay. Let's see. And now it doesn't work. Okay. We might see where the problem is now. It's over here. It doesn't detect my mouse. It doesn't detect my player. I wonder why. God damn. Huh. So it doesn't detect my flare. Function on area 2D, area entered. Area shape 2D. Oh boy, I'm so confused. Oh my god. Let's try another thing. Okay, it's here. It doesn't detect, but it does detect the hit. This doesn't detect the hit, however, which is bizarre. Okay, I think. Hello, Loki Trickster. Welcome to the chat. I'm trying to figure out some stuff here. Let me do a little bit of explaining. So, the thing is that I have an enemy. This is the enemy. And my enemy have an area that's supposed to detect the player. But for some reason, it doesn't work. And we are trying to figure it out. Me and Still Needs Work is trying to find out why this thing is happening. By that I mean why it doesn't work. And that's a really... What's your code look like? It looks like this. Wait. So, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna take your time and look into it. It's not really complicated. So when my player entered the area, it's supposed to print detected. But for some reason, when my player entered the area, it doesn't print anything actually. So that's a problem that I'm having right now. Try using on body entered. Sorry, I couldn't help more as I'm learning Godot. It's okay. It's no big deal. It just I'm a little bit of a dum-dum. Okay, area entered. Well, first I'm going to delete this because I will no longer use it. Okay, let's disconnect this one. Disconnect. Boom. I'm going to copy and just delete this. Area body entered. Body on body entered on body on body on body on body. It's this one, right? Connect. Okay. Print. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if it detects or not. It detects the thing. Wait, it works. Wait, what? Oh no. Oh no. God damn, what happens? Oh, this one. It works! This whole time. Jeez. It fucking works. Man, it was the wrong method the whole time, yeah. I feel like such a dum-dum over here. Man, I just want to say thank you very much. My god. Your player note is a cat body, so it's looking for a body. Yes. Yes, I should have known. I should have known. Oh man, thank you very much. Okay, yeah, okay, so that's one thing that I learned today. Loki is great, yes. He's the best. I mean, You're the best, Loki. Not gonna lie. Without you, I might be stuck on this thing for a while. Okay, now that we have worked on that, let's do another thing. I'm going to add a new node, and that is an area 2D. And in that area 2D, I'm going to give it a collision. Add chat node, collision. So this area 2D is going to be a hazard. Hazard area. And this collision 2D is going to be another box. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Oh shit. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because it's a hazard. It's a hazard. Okay. Might need to make it a bit bigger. Something like that. Something like that. Yeah. Man, thanks, Loki. I don't know how to thank you. How to you know, give you my gratitude. I just want to say thank you so much. It's going to look for playthrough. Okay. Now it should work. Let's see. If my character goes over here, it's going to get hit. If this detected, this hit. Okay, it works. Great. Great, 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 great. Yes. Okay, script. Now let's do the thing. Yep. Oh, my bad. Gotta add this to the function. Oh. Oh, wait, why? No. Yes. This is what I want to do. And I want this to be false. Okay, for now it should work. Should. Thanks for the idea last night. I think oh, I think you guys are discussing something that I didn't know. Woohoo. Okay, you can see the thing over there. The thing, which is really menacing. If I get close to it, doesn't look alright. It doesn't detect now. I might did something that fucked with the stuff. Okay. Oh no. Doesn't work now. Did I do something? Let's delete this. Let's delete that. Let's do another test. Huh. Huh. Okay, this is a problem. This is fucking my brain in a lot of way. You know what? You know what I gotta do? I'm just going to do this. It's a really dumb solution, but I will try. I don't think this will work. Why would changing the variable to true cause it to not to work? I think it's because I put the play detect over here. It should not be a problem, but it It is a problem somehow. I'm very confused actually. I am very confused. Is that an allowable parameter for the function? Maybe. I think so. It's really confusing because my brain is not working. Is there another way to... Yeah, thanks. Take your time. This should work. Maybe I need to make it into a constant? Maybe. I don't know. Oh. Fuck. Okay, this doesn't change anything. Another problem that I see is that even though my character, I mean my player, is not hitting, it doesn't hit when it's not even close to the enemy. It still detected. I wonder why. Is it because of the world? No, it's not. Let me do a little bit of a tweaking. Okay. Detection area. Gotta look for mask number 2, which is our player. Oh, and oh yeah, I see now why. It is chasing itself. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. It's chasing itself. Okay. Save that shit, everybody. Save that shit. Okay, I am so dumb. Now I see why it detects itself, because I set my enemy to player. Dumbass. Such a dumbass. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay. This should work. This should work now. It works. Okay. Hit. Detected. Hit. Yep. Let's try. This thing. Player detect. Print detected. Player detect. Equal true. Okay. Let's see if it works or not. Hit. 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 Not detect. No, not this. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's try again. But now, when I add that one variable inside, it doesn't work. It doesn't detect anything now. I don't know what's happening. It doesn't detect the thing now. But why? Wait, my... Okay, it works. I don't know if that parameter is allowed. Ooh, okay, so this is gonna be tricky then. Then how am I supposed to say that, hey, if a player entered an area, please chase it? How am I gonna do that? Okay. I'm resisting that. Yeah, okay, thank you. I'm going to do a little bit of a research too. Hey Mami, it's my first stream, good to be here. Hi, Emerose, thank you. Welcome. I see that you followed me when I was not streaming. Do you come here from YouTube? Because I see that my Vods got a little bit of a view, which surprises me because I thought that no way it's going to do well or get any kind of view, but it does. And I see that yesterday suddenly someone followed me on Twitch, and it's you. Thank you, by the way, for the follow. This is confusing. Alright. What I wanna do is for my player to get in. Oops. I'm going to delete this again. Yeah, I think I commented on the first video, but I don't know. I responded to every comment that there, you know, I responded to every comment. I think I responded to yours too. And I think your YouTube account name is different from the Twitch, so I might not recognize it. Okay, so the detection stuff is working. Oh. Did I do something to myself? Okay, now. Oh, fuck. Oh no. Okay, another problem has occurred. I couldn't get the player. Let's see. Let's delete. Let's close this off first. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. Try using preload. You preload the scene to get access to the node. The scene will be prefixed with res. Okay, let me try that, actually. That's actually kind of smart. TSN? Hey! Still doesn't work. Invalid call. May not need this. Fuck me. I guess the comment didn't post. I just checked. Either way, in the future, check out FL Studio for music releases. Related stuff. It's a music production software that's free version that's pretty powerful. Yes, actually, I have been dabbling around that program in the past, but not now because I forgot about the stuff already. In the past, you know, a few years ago, actually, 3 or 4 years ago, it's a long time ago. I actually tried to, you know, pursue my dream of making my music career. But I guess stuff doesn't work out and I kind of gave up midway. But yeah, I used to use that program a lot, but now I don't even know how to use it anymore. But it's a really good program. And because I don't have enough money to buy it back then. I used to pirate the software. I'm sorry everybody, but I am a pirate. I used to be a pirate, but not now. I pay for myself now that I have adult money. Shit, this is a problem. Okay, I can't. So our problem right now is we cannot access the character, the player. How to have access to another scene in Godot. Let's see this. Let's see this. So you make something special TSCN. Okay. Get parent, get node. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, let's watch this stupid video. Still trying to find that method in the documentation. All right. So right now my another problem has arose. A problem by problems. This is a new one. So I couldn't get the node. I couldn't get the player TSCN, which is a problem because I need the position to make my enemy follow it. If I play this, it will break the game. So I gotta find a way for my game to get the player somehow. Currently have no idea how. Still searching on Godot, I guess. Let's go back to documentation. Oh man, it's really confusing. Fuck me. Let's see. Introduction. Before you start, Godot engine, organization, list of feature. I don't think I need this. Getting started. To the manual. Scene. Scene. Scene organization, player scene, scene unique nodes, main game scene, player scene, node structure, inside the mob scene. Oh. Oh boy, my head hurts. Okay, let's see what this is. Getting nodes. You can reference to a node by calling node.getNode method. For this to work, get a child node must be present in the scene tree. Getting the parent node ready function guarantees that it no. Okay. Sprite 2D, get node camera. Okay, that's pretty simple. Yeah, I understand. Now, what if I want my stuff to be outside? Since I already for Sprite 2D get node Sprite 2D. Oh my bad, my head. Creating nodes. Instancing scenes. Scenes are templates for which you can create as many blah 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 operation. Loading the screen from local drive, creating an instance of the loaded pack scene resource. Variable scene load res my scene.tsn. Okay, let me try that. Preload. Player TSCN. Boom. And then can I get the node? Still no. Okay. Close that program, I guess. Oh fuck. Is it not working? It's not working. Alright, I see some problem over here. This is not good. Oh god. Get node. What can I get? I'm going to cry. Like, actually, I will cry. So it can only get the nodes that are inside here, but I couldn't get the player node because it's outside of the scene. So, how am I going to do that? Packs in instance yet. I'm very confused. No. This is not what I want. I still could not get the position of the goddamn thing. How to get a node from another scene? Go dot. How do I call a node in another scene? Yeah. I have a global singleton, blah blah blah. Try using preload. That instance. That's right. Okay. You preload the scene to get access to the node. The scene will be prefixed with res. Ah. Oh, okay. I think I got an idea. Okay. Oh shit. What are you trying to do? I'm part listening, part coding, part watching TV. You're doing 3 things at the same time. So what I'm trying to do is that, as you can see, I'm trying to get my player node over here, the character body 2D. I wanted to access character body 2D, aka my player, from my enemy scene. And because I'm still new in this program, I'm quite confused on how do I do that. So a lot of people say that I should make... Oh shit. I should preload the scene first. And then and then do this. Here, the scene dot. Is it dot? It is dot. Okay. Get node. Let's try that. Get underscore node. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work like that. Wait, what? Do I have to do this? No. No, I don't think this is the best way to approach this. Get state, get local scene. Maybe get this? No. I'm so confused. So I have my player scene. Oh, okay. Very much confused. What's the end goal of bringing the player into the enemy scene? Well, my enemy is going to chase my player, so it needs its position in order to chase him around, you know. So that's why I'm trying to get the player scene. I just wanted to get the position. That is what I'm trying to figure out. It's a really confusing stuff. For me at least, because I'm a dumbass. So player scene. If I follow this correctly. Preload. Oh, there's a lot of stuff I can do. Player. Let's do this. Player TSN. And then player scene. What can I do? Can instantiate, pack, duplicate, get rid, get local scene. That's from 2022, so it might be outdated. Yes. It's from 2 years ago. So I'm there might be a change. Yeah, that's true. The only solution that I can think of is to just make the player global, but I know that that's not the best thing to do. Because it will spawn my player in the beginning of the game. When I press start, it's going to show up. That's why I'm trying to figure out how am I supposed to do it. Let's say get node, get global. Do we have global? No. Get node. Still can't do it. Okay. Ha 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 ha. Let's go back to the Go documentation. This is 2021. This is 2022. Oh no. Let's go to Godot. Okay, getting started. Manual 2D. Physics, movement, animation, export, file data. No. Input, math, navigation, networking, performance, physics, platform. Say this UI. Ugh. I still don't understand the thing about instances and inheritance. So maybe I need to look up. You know what? It's okay. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a tinkering. I don't think my player. For now, I'm just going to make my player global because I have no other choice. So let's go to project settings, auto load. Let's get my player in. Where's my player? TTS. Inheritance is where a child will take the properties of a parent. And I can change the properties of the child without tinkering. Oh yeah, I understand. So if I make a player and I want to make another player, I can just inherit from the player. Yeah, I understand. So they inherit properties of methods. Okay, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. What about an instance, the instantiate? Is that what you call it? That might help. This might help. Okay. I'll try. And let me script. So just get node. Now we have a player because I make it global. Get position. Wait. Let's try. Should work now. Okay, it's chasing me. Oh god damn. Okay. Oh. That's a problem. That's a problem. Yeah, I gotta change that. I gotta change that. Okay. This might. I tried linking to the interpolation in the Go.docs. Okay. I'm still pretty oblivious, to be honest. I'm still a bit oblivious, not gonna lie. So a big dum-dum over here. Okay, so the thing following us, it works. Yeah, it works. But it still doesn't work the way I want it to. Oh, I want it to be, because I want it to chase me after I get into an area. But at least it works for now. It's really cute there. Hi. Oop. Come here. Okay, it works. Yeah. Now I just need to make now I just need it to detect my player and chase it. Oh. So I couldn't put in a parameter inside of the function because it will break the function, which is actually kind of dumb, but it's okay. So print detected. So I detect a body that got into it, print detected, and the next thing I wanted to do is to make something happen. And what's that? The idea that I have at first is to have a boolean to make sure that it works. Like if blah blah blah, enter the body, play detection equal true. So then my character, I can put this over here. If the play detection equals true, then just move. But I couldn't put the variable inside of it because it won't work for some reason, which is kind of making me mad. Maybe I should move this a little bit upwards. Come here. Never mind. Might not be a good idea. Let's try that again. It should be following me now. Detect? Okay. Yeah, detect and hit. And... oh, whatever this happened. Okay. Ugh. I'm gonna take a sip. My throat is getting dry. Try linking to the interpolation in the good ducks. Fuck. Detection word. Now just... how do I make it a word? You know what? I'm stuck. So it's a good thing to look up onto Google. We'll start following you and go that. I am so sorry, but I have to do it. Okay. Let's watch some YouTube. Alright? Let's watch a YouTube video. Because I'm desperate. I am desperate. That is 25 minutes, this is 1 minute. God damn. Fuck it. Wait, I'm going to turn on the audio.
Next episode in the Enemy Logic series. In this episode, we're gonna be taking a look at giving George and Will
navigation to D, note to find paths. I don't think I need that. Movement loop, avoiding errors, transparency. Let's check it out. The 1 minute should be fine. Oh, really? Okay, because it's a little bit.
All the assets and code used in this video are linked in the description. Start by opening up your enemy scene. My enemy is made from variables. The way you get a reference to the player enemy, and at the top of the script define these 4 variables.
Player position, target position, on ready for player, get parent, get node player. What the fuck? Huh?
Top of the script define these 4 variables. The way you get a reference to the player node is likely different from mine. To get your player node, use the getParent method until you reach the top of the tree, and then use the getNode function to search down the tree.
God damn. Okay. Okay. If only I watched that video from the start. Jesus Christ, my guy. If only I'm not that dumb and just rely on myself. I could have done it from the start. Maybe. Let's get some parent. That doesn't sound so nice, but okay, let's get some parent. Let's get some parent. Get node. Fuck it. Get node. What do we have over here? Nothing. Okay, let's get another parent. If you wanted, you could add your player to a group and use get3, get first node in group player. Ooh. Let me try this first. This might work too, I think. Oops, wrong. Okay. Okay. These are some what? Get3? Wait, what? Get3. Get no. Let's see. Get nodes. Get first node in group. Get 3, get first node in group player. Might work. Nope. I'm using my brain now. Let's make a group. Go to your player scene. Go to my player scene and add it to a group. How? How? On the right hand side, click node. Wait, I'm dumb. Oh, here. Okay. Oh! What's that? Player. Ant. Safe. Enemy. Oh, wait. Just gotta wait. Type in player. That should work, right? Then signal to, and then next to signal, click group, manage group. Nope. In quotes, put player. I don't know if it will work or not. It fucking works. It fucking works. Yay! Yay! Man, I don't know how to thank you. Oh fuck, thank you so much. Okay, so now we learned something new, everybody. Use the groups. God damn. Oh, bless me. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, so that's group. Okay.
In my case, I need to use the getParent method twice to reach the top of the tree.
Okay.
Next, create a new physics function to the position of the player node. Underneath this, set the... We're also going to normalize it, which checks if the distance...
Okay, I'm not going to follow this, because mine is doing nice.
Is greater.
I cannot find the specific information on that part of the signal. Oh, really?
Direction. Move.
Yeah.
Now look at method to make the...
It's okay though. At least now that the on detection on body entered. Yeah. At least now that we have one issue fixed, and that issue is my player getting the node. So that is fixed. Okay, so we have to use groups. Okay, noted. The other thing is that just how do I make this work? There is another thing. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, this one. This is from 2020. I'm following this tutorial and I realized it wasn't what I really needed. I just like still play area 2D as far connected and I have no idea how to do after that. Okay, I got as far. Okay, this is what we got as far. If the player lift is in this area, you want the enemy to approach the player. If the player leaves this area, you want the enemy to stop immediately. Okay, so step 1 is done. Now the step 2. You could do is okay. Maybe you could blah, 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 signal. Okay, that's alright. Move the velocity physics function. What the fuck? You can do this by setting a velocity for the enemy in the function called by this. Okay, how you set the velocity. More likely, if you want an enemy that is heading towards the player whenever they are in an area. Now that blah, 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 blah. You are going to need to mess with factors, specifically subtracting and then normalizing them. Blah, 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Shit. Okay, here's the thing. So this is a function, this is a function, and this is a function. I mean, this is a function. How do I make this function work when this function is right? Oh, fuck. I have no idea. I'm still trying to think. Trying my best to think, at least. Okay. I'll get some drink first. Wait a minute. So it's a bit of a mindfuck, to be honest. Everything feels so not good. Can I create a variable for here? And then just call it? I don't think I can. Let's watch some Godot tutorial. Let's see. Okay, let's see this. Let's watch this one. Let's watch this one.
To my the
Oh,
players
here,
who-
the detection area.
so the players out the detection radius, so then we can actually equal whatever we want. But the bigger the number that's here,
So that's the speed.
and
Okay.
then we want that to be based on the speed. So I'm going to put divide by speed
So that is the okay. Okay.
function, and
This is pretty much where we are
what
right
we wanna
now.
whatever enters the area.
Player equal body. Player underscore chase equal true. Huh. Wait, don't tell me that this works.
And then what we can all
Okay, let's do a little bit of
the
a
pass
function.
function, and what we want to do is we want player in underneath body entered in the actual script. We want player to equal the player itself. So what we can do is we can make it equal body. For now, that's probably the best way to do it, as they're technically not in the same scene. We are scripting the enemy from the enemy subscene, and body basically means whatever enters the zone. We can also set the area 2D to pick up, set it on different levels or layers, so it'll only pick up the player. So this won't be a future problem.
If I got this to work, I will shit my pants. And I'm not even kidding. I will shit my pants so hard. Fuck. If this works, I swear to God, I will shit my pants so hard. that everybody is going to be so terrified of me. I swear to God. I swear to God. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's okay. The detection worked now. Okay. Good. Now we just need another thing.
The other enemies. The player to equal.
Okay, yeah, that. Okay, it's okay. Still trying to figure some stuff out. So will you chase me after? Ah, fuck, I got it to work. I got it working. Everybody, I would like to announce that somehow I made it work. As you can see, the thing is now following me. I wanted to share this inspirational moment with all of you people who has been following me and watching me struggle. I finally made it somehow. Jeez! Okay, to make things simple, I have done a big mess up. Let me explain. So, the problem with the code this entire time is because I made a variable inside. I made a variable inside a function. So that means I cannot access that variable outside that function, which is really dumb. Like me, because I'm dumb. Okay? So this whole time I was trying to access this function, this variable, but I could not because I couldn't add a new parameter on this detection area body 2D blah blah blah. And then I watched that video. Even though I didn't follow any of his tutorial, I just realized that I should have put my player detect variable on top, outside of the function, so that I could access it on another function, which is the enemy movement and this detection. So now that we got that cleared up, I'm still going to leave the detected because I wanted to know. But everything works now. Good. 1 hour and 51 minutes. It's a good thing. So thanks to Loki Trickster, you helped me with this problem, which is accessing the scene. And now I know that we gotta use group. So that's a good thing to know. And the second thing that we managed to do is to figure out the detection. Because at first I used area body 2D, and for the signals I stupidly use area 2D. Turns out I need to use body entered because my player is a character to the body. Yeah, that's one thing to look up for. So that's it. That's all. I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who has stopped by and talked to me. Thanks to Still Needs Work. Thanks to Loki Trickster and to Amorosape. It's a pretty hard name to spell, but yes. And not that I'm just learning, yes. I'm just learning, but still, this is a big improvement because now that I kind of, you know, dabble around, I kind of know the basics. I think I can do a lot more features in the future. I just need some planning and some, you know, some breakdowns. I might need to make, what do you call this? A flowchart. Yes, a flowchart. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. But before that, let me play this game for, you know, a little bit longer because it's kind of fun. Not gonna lie, it's kind of fun. So let's see. There is our monstrous, disgusting thing. I'm going to approach it. Boop. Okay, now it's following me. Ooh, okay, okay. Hiya. Hiya. Okay. So the next thing that I want to do on the next stream is that I'm going to explain it over here. Next thing I want to do, what is that? Wait, let me get my drawing tablet. Next thing, next stream. Next stream. Oh shit. Okay, next stream. What I want to do next stream? I wanted to make my enemy explode. Make enemy explode. Because it's a bomb. Kinda. Well, I wanted to make my enemy explode when it gets near me and actually dealing some damage. And I wanted to make a health system for my slime and also attack mechanism. I think that's it. So we're going to have oh, also one more. I think I should add. Wait, why is this? Okay. And number 4 is going to be enemy animation. Oops. Enemy animation. Yeah. Next stream, I'm going to make my enemy explode. I'm going to make a health system, and I'm going to make my slime to be able to attack, and then I am going to add an enemy animation. So it's not going to be this thing right here. Not just gonna walk like a dumb little thing. Let me pull you. Come over here. Yeah, it's not going to just slide like that. It's going to have actually like an actual movement. It's going to, you know, walk a bit. But aside that, I think everything is done for today. I'm still feeling pretty sick because a few days ago I got a pretty nasty food poisoning. Even though it's a little bit better now, it's still, you know, it still have some effect on my health. Yeah, I think that's it. No way I actually made it through. Because actually, not gonna lie, a few minutes ago, like let's say half an hour ago, I was kinda exhausted. I was planning to, you know what, it's okay if we don't get it right today. We might be able to get it right the next day or like a few days later. And because of you guys, low-key still, you guys were helping me on trying to figure some stuff out. And I just wanted to say thank you so much. Because I'm still a beginner, I'm still learning. And now that I have figured some stuff out, which opened my mind a little bit, give me a bit of an experience, and I have gained some skill that I have put into my inventory. I think I could be better, kinda. But yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. I just want to say, see you guys again next stream. If it makes you feel better, I have no idea what's going on. That is me a few hours ago. I mean 1 hour ago. So yeah, don't feel bad about yourself. I'm very thankful that you guys sticks around till the end. See you guys tomorrow, cause tomorrow I gotta play Hades actually.